Hello. So today I want to discuss about the streams. So basically, what are the streams? Streams were introduced in Java 8 as part of java.util.stream package to provide a more expressive, functional, and efficient way of working with data collections. Like example list set interface, map interface, like that. They were designed to address the limitations and inefficiencies to process the data before. So we can discuss what are the setbacks they overcame by introducing streams. So generally streams were used to so we use it to process the large data. Okay. And the setbacks they overcame. First, before Java 8 introduced strings, there was only an imperative declaring style, like with loops, where developers have to write detailed logic for iteration, filtering, mapping, etc. So when you take in after streams offer a declarative style, okay, which enable to focus what we need to achieve rather than how to achieve it or write the full logic to the extent like in before versions. So that was the main setback to overcome. So first one is declarative is declarative declarative versus imperative programming. And obviously second one is boilerplate reduction code because we are using only the functional code what we have to write in the code to get what we want to achieve using streams. But in previous version we have to write the whole code to manipulate collections required verbose construct, making it less readable in a way, in a such a way wherein streams are mainly targeted for lambda expressions, method references. We can make it easier and we can reduce the boiler repeated code. So that's what we can achieve. And third one, support for parallelism. What? Support for parallelism. Parallelism, where we can support for parallelism. Prior streams were introduced. There was a there we are writing the multi-threaded code to process data in parallel was complex and error prone. We have to write a multi-threaded code to process data in parallel. We have to, yes. Then coming to streams, there is a built-in support for streams for to support parallelism, that is parallel stream, making easier to process larger data sets in parallel, leveraging multiple cores efficiency. Where again it's reducing the boiler code reduction, because we in streams we have parallel stream feature inbuilt, so we can easily process the large data sets in parallel, leveraging multiple cores efficiently. So that's fourth one, lazy evaluation for performance. See, when we are using the nested loops or loops, we have to process the each and every element in the code, and we have to iterate and we traverse each and every element in the code. Whereas in the streams, until you invoke the collector for each method, no intermediate operations were executed, right? It enhances the readability and modularizes operations through method references and lambda expressions. Only processing elements, it will only process the elements when required. Intermediate operations like filter map not executed until a terminal operation like collector for each is invoked. Iteration in pre-Java 8, iteration typically processed each element immediately, leading to unnecessary computation. So that's how lazy evaluation for performance works in the streams. And fifth one is improved readability, obviously. Improved readability and maintainability. Okay. So these are some points we overcame by using the streams. What are the declarative versus imperative program? Where declarative has an in streams it offers a declarative style where we can want to where we can achieve what we want to get rather than how to achieve it. Obviously, we can reduce boilerplate reduction and support for parallelism. It have the method built-in program for the parallel stream that makes our data to process large data sets, and lazy evaluation for performance. It will not perform when line is introduced. It will only the terminal operation is invoked, then it will perform until a terminal operation like character for each is invoked. Improved readability and maintainability using lambda functions and method references, and we can use functional styling. But so that's it.